reminding you that you are known by the powerful God who breathes his breath into all of creation. I have called you by name. I know your name. That's what God says through the prophet of ancient times, and that's God's promise to you today. You're not a number. You're not lost in the crowd. You are special. You are unique. You are a creation that never will be again. And with your life, you're called to do something special, be something special, say something special. You're not sure what that is? We invite you to join us as we discover along life's journey what our place, what our purpose, what the plan really is for our lives. That's Grace Alone Church, 1900 Southwest 35th Avenue, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, 33312. Sundays at 10:30, online all the time. Join us.
Grace Alone Ministry.